Moth. A moth is an insect that belongs to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes butterflies. Moths are typically nocturnal, meaning they are active at night, and they are attracted to light. They have two pairs of wings that are covered in scales, which can range in color from brown to vibrant hues of pink, green, and blue. Moths go through a metamorphosis, similar to butterflies, starting as eggs that hatch into caterpillars. The caterpillars then go through several stages of growth, shedding their skin each time, before pupating and eventually emerging as adult moths. Moths play an important role in many ecosystems as pollinators, and as a food source for other animals. However, some species of moths are considered pests, because their larvae can damage crops and fabrics. Here are some interesting facts about the life of moths. Number 1. Moths go through a complete metamorphosis, meaning they have 4 distinct stages of life: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. Number 2. The lifespan of moth varies depending on the species. Some species only live for a few days as adults, while others can live for several months. Number 3. Moths are often nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. This is because they are less likely to be seen by predators, and they can use the light of the moon and stars to navigate. Number 4. Moths are attracted to light, and this behavior is called phototaxis. However, scientists are still not sure why moths are attracted to light. Number 5. The caterpillars of some moth species are considered pests because they can damage crops and trees. For example, the gypsy moth caterpillar is known for defoliating trees and causing widespread damage. Number 6. Moths play an important role in pollination, just like bees and butterflies. They are especially important for pollinating night-blooming flowers. Number 7. Some species of moth are able to produce sounds to communicate with each other. These sounds are usually produced by the male moths to attract females. Number 8. Moths have a very keen sense of smell, which they use to find food and mates. They have specialized receptors in their antennae that allow them to detect pheromones and other chemical signals. Number 9. The silk moth, also known as the domesticated silk moth, is used in the production of silk. The caterpillar of this moth, also known as the silkworm, spins a cocoon made of silk that is then harvested and used to create textiles. Number 10. Moths are found all over the world, in a wide variety of habitats, from rainforests to deserts to cities. There are over 160,000 species of moth known to science. Moths face several biological challenges throughout their life cycle. Here are a few examples. Number 1. Predation. Moths are a common food source for many predators, including birds, bats, and insects. Moths have developed several defense mechanisms to avoid being eaten, such as camouflage, mimicry, and toxic chemicals. Number 2. Finding a mate. Male moths must find a female to mate with, but this can be a challenge, since females often release pheromones only at specific times of the day or night. Male moths use their keen sense of smell to locate females, but they must also compete with other males for the same females. Number 3. Parasites and disease. Moths are susceptible to a variety of parasites and diseases that can impact their survival and reproductive success. For example, some species of moths are infected by a type of bacteria called Wolbachia, which can affect their ability to reproduce. Number 4. Environmental factors. Moths are affected by environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and light. Changes in these factors can impact their development and behavior. For example, some species of moths are attracted to artificial lights, which can interfere with their ability to navigate and mate. Number 5. Finding food. The larvae of many moth species have specific dietary requirements and must find the right plants to feed on. Changes in land use and habitat loss can impact the availability of suitable food sources for moth larvae. These challenges can impact the survival and reproductive success of moths, and some species are more vulnerable than others to these biological challenges.